The Car Patrol. Hello, Matt. Hello, Frank. Oh dear, there's a big queue of cars building up. You'd better come and calm everyone down, Matt. You'll soon be out of the traffic jam, everyone. Matt and Frank are going to go and see what's causing it. Careful, Frank. Hey, Flavy, you need to park as soon as you've crossed the railroad. Oh no! Oh no, here comes Troy the train. We can hear his bell. Stop, Troy! Stop! Flavy's load fell on the railroad. Thankfully, Matt managed to stop Troy before he crashed into the boxes. Matt has a suggestion. Maybe Troy can help Flavy with her delivery. Good point, Flavy. How will we get those boxes into the back of Troy's cargo train? Frank thinks he's seen someone who can help. That's lucky. Francis the forklift was amongst the traffic. One more to go. Are you ready to go and make your delivery with Troy, Flavy? Thanks for your help today, Francis. And well done to you guys, too. You did a great job. Time to get back to your break. The Car Patrol. Hey there, Tyson. Sure is a hot one today. You guys look thirsty. It's a good thing Tyson always has plenty of gas. Whoa, what was that sound? Oh no, the gas stopped pumping. Is your pump working, Amber? What about you, Susie? Great idea, Tyson. Let's call the Car Patrol. They'll know what to do. Hey guys, it's really hot outside, and Tyson's gas station has run out of fuel. Can you help? All right, let's go. Hurry! Don't worry, guys. The Car Patrol will have this sorted out in no time. So, what do you think happened, Car Patrol? Good idea. There might be something wrong with the fuel tank. Let's check it out. Uh-oh. The fuel is spilling out on the ground instead of going to the pumps. Can you figure out what happened, Matt? Aha! A crack. You're right, Matt. The pipe must have cracked from the heat. Now what do we do? Great idea, Hector. Why don't you go get a new pipe? While we're waiting for Hector to deliver a new pipe, why don't you turn off the fuel, Frank? Great job. Can you clean up this mess, too? Awesome. That looks much better, Frank. Look. Hector's back with a new pipe. Now, let's get this fixed. Good work, Hector. Now Matt can install the new pipe. Perfect. Looks good. Okay, Frank, turn the fuel back on. And the pumps are working again. Great. Well done, Car Patrol. You saved the day. Bye, everyone. See you soon. Hey, Tom, where are you taking those speed reactors? Back to your garage to be fixed? Okay, let's unload the speed reactors and get to work. Wait, they're missing. You're right. The Car Patrol will help us find them. Matt, Frank. Tom's lost some broken speed reactors. We need to find them before someone has an accident. Tom, can you show Matt and Frank where you've been today? You think you've seen the speed reactors? But where? It's that naughty Tyler. Go get him, Matt. It's going to be hard for Matt to keep up with Tyler. Don't worry, Matt. Maybe Frank will be able to catch Tyler. Frank. You'll have to block the road. Tyler's too fast for Matt to catch. Wait, why's Tyler speeding up even more? Unbelievable. He's using that bump in the road to jump over Frank. Looks like that traffic jam will soon bring Tyler to a stop. What's wrong, Tyler? You can't slow down? Oh no! That must be why Tom needed to fix the speed reactors. Quick, aim for the sand. Well, that's one way to stop a speeding car. What now, guys? You're right. It does look like Tyler might have learned his lesson. Good idea. Let's get those speed reactors fixed before there's any more trouble. Maybe you should take Tyler back to your garage, too. Thanks for helping to get the speed reactors back, Car Patrol. See you next time. Hey there, Carrie. You shouldn't be playing with that candle. Fire is dangerous. Ah, your lights are out and you can't see. Uh-oh. See, the candle lit the tree on fire. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's spreading. Quick, call the car patrol. Squad, there's a big fire. Come quick. Hurry. We don't want it to get any worse. It's this way, guys. Come on. Look, Carrie, the squad is here. Don't worry, they'll get the fire out in no time. Quick, Frank, use your hose. Do you have a bucket? Oh, good. Thanks, Carrie. Now you can drop water too, Hector. Keep going, guys. What is it, Matt? Oh no! Francis is trapped on the roof. Can you reach him, Frank? Oh, Hector, can you save Francis? Great idea. Hang on tight. Phew. We're sure glad you're safe, Francis. Way to go. Don't give up. That's it. The fire is out. Well done, everyone. We know you're sorry, Carrie. It was an accident. We should get your lights fixed, though. You can do it, Matt? That's great news. Excellent work, Matt. Good as new, eh, Carrie? Well, you did a great job today, Car Patrol. Thanks again. Bye, friends. See you soon. Morning, Ethan. Are you camping here alone? Tao is with you? I don't see him. He's gone missing? Oh no! We better call the Car Patrol to find him. It can be dangerous out here in the wild. Guys, Tao has gone missing in the wild. We need to find him. Ethan, the Car Patrol is here. Ethan, when did you last see Tao? Last night, eh? You're going to look for clues, Matt? See that? I think you should follow the tracks. What's that? Tao, are you okay? Why are you in the sewer? Oh, you were scared last night and you ran? And you didn't see the open sewer? Can you get out? Hey, Tao, are you okay? He's okay, guys. Hector's going to get you with his magnet. Hector, it won't reach. You have an idea, Matt? Tao, Matt has an idea. Hold on. Climb onto the dinghy, Tao. Frank, use your hose to fill the sewer with water. Matt, that's genius. Good work, guys. Looks like you're still stuck. Of course, the magnet will work now. Good work, guys. Take care, guys. And be careful out here in the wild. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Baby Francis, are you excited to be at your dad's work today? You're one of the guys now, Baby Francis. Time to get to work. Careful, Baby Francis. Good idea. Baby Francis should play away from the crates that are being stacked so that he doesn't get hurt. Sure are a lot of crates to move today. Where's Baby Francis? How about calling Car Patrol for help? Guys? We have a problem. Francis took Baby Francis to work today, and he's disappeared from the construction site. Can you help? Perfect. Let's go. Car Patrol is here, guys. Don't worry. They'll help find baby Francis. Where will you even begin searching? It's baby Francis's hard hat. When was the last time anyone saw baby Francis? That's interesting. There are yellow labels on the empty crates and white labels on the crates that are being stacked. What are you thinking, Matt? You think it's possible that baby Francis was playing in a crate and got lifted and stacked? Maybe Hector can fly over the piled crates to check. Can you tell if there's a yellow label in with the white ones, Hector? Francis, can you start removing crates to get at the crate with the yellow label? Is baby Francis inside? Oh, thank goodness. You had everyone worried, baby Francis. Mystery solved, everybody. Thanks for your help, Car Patrol. You had quite a busy day at work, baby Francis. You should take the rest of the day off. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.